Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So today we're going to have a look at a brand new knife from Crkt, new for 2023, and it falls in a category that's getting popular, I would say, over the past 2 or 3 years. That kind of executive slash gentleman's knife category where the knives are a lot slimmer and they kind of look like a pen. This is the Crkt CEO Micro Flipper. Now, this knife is so new that I don't have an affiliate link ready for it, but when it is, and you want to pick one of these up, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's begin with our size reference, and as we can see, the overall length closed is the same size or same length as the writing portion on a smaller permanent marker. In fact, if you flick the blade open, it's probably going to be the same overall length. Yep, there you go. So just like writing with a permanent marker. And if you're wondering about the actual measurement, okay, so right around 5.5 inches there, and then closed. What do we got closed here? Yeah, I would say just about 3.5 inches. All right, I just want to give you an idea of the thinness and the slimness of the micro flipper here. So let's start with the scales here. So you figure this is a pair of chopsticks. This is the small side. This is the big side. So just a little bit bigger than the fat side. And if we switch it around that way, a little bit thinner. I would consider a reasonable weight for an EDC knife around the same weight as a deck of cards, so about 3.4 ounces. Now we know this is going to be lighter, but the question is, well, how much lighter? Let's find out. On the scale, 1.7 ounces. I would say that a closer comparisons to the executive micro flipper are 8/4, just to give you a better weight reference. Let's have a look at this blade profile. Look at that beautiful sheep's foot blade. Satin finish. Steel type is Sandvik 12C27, a lot of chromium. Very corrosion resistant, easy to sharpen. This grind type is flat, right? It's going to be flat all the way up into that shoulder, the shoulder right here. So very flat, very easy to sharpen. You can see how flat that is. Beautiful satin finish, sheep's foot blade. You got a nice sharpening choil, so it's very easy to sharpen the entire length of the edge. Good looking blade. Opening mechanism is a flipper. There's a look at the lever. Nice aggressive jimping so your finger has something to grip onto. IKBS bearing system on the pivot, and watch how fast this opens. Didn't even see it. So quick. Comes in 2 colors. You got this blue with the silver lining, and I think the drop point version comes with the silver with blue lining, but I love that sheep's foot blade. We got a liner lock on the inside. You can see this arm that swings underneath the base of the blade here. And to close it, all you got to do is push your thumb in a little bit. Move it on the side, and it's very easy to close with one hand. Let's have a look at these beautiful blue aluminum handles. Love the contrast between the blue and the silver. Absolutely gorgeous. This wavy ripple pattern, these rounded waves in contrast with this squared off look, gives it a very clean contemporary feel. Alright, and you notice it's clean. There's no holes for the pocket clip to switch to the other side, so it's going to stay absolutely clean. The screw is on the top, so you unscrew that and move it on the side. Let's have one more look at this blade. Whew, so quick. Of course, sheep's foot, very good for just poking in and slicing. Let's have a look at this pocket clip here. Deep carry pocket clip. Let's have a look at that. This knife is going to disappear in this pocket. It's, you know, as we saw earlier, it's super lightweight, and that just looks like a pen in your pocket. That is absolutely amazing. How sharp is this sheep's foot? Let's give it a look here. It's pretty sharp, guys. Pretty sharp. Well, alright guys, there you go. The Crkt Executive Micro Flipper, new for 2023. If you're looking for an EDC knife that's not going to freak people out when you open it, have a look at this guy. Clean design, quick opening, compact. You're not even going to notice it in your pocket. Well, alright guys, that's the ending of the video. Remember, the link is not ready for this yet, but when it is, Check it out in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.